Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Microsoft Surface laptop of 8th generation is not turning on. So the most common reason behind this issue is your laptop simply being discharged, and in such case, of course, the easiest solution to this issue is connecting the charger to your laptop. The best option would be connecting the original charger into the respective port on the left edge of the laptop. Make sure that your charger is charging your device properly by connecting it to an active outlet, and then simply short press the power button to launch your computer. Now of course, we can also use the USB-C port on the left edge of the laptop for charging, but in such case, since you are not using an original charger, you're gonna need to connect your USB-C cable to the charger that has at least 65 watts capacity. And also, from my own experience, I can tell you that not every charging brick will be supported by this laptop, at least not at the first attempt. So sometimes you have to reinsert the cable both into the outlet and into the laptop in order to actually make it charge properly. And the hardest part of it is that this laptop doesn't have any LED indicator to show you whether your device is being charged at all. Therefore, it might be a struggle. So the best decision would be using the original charger, of course, and then just short pressing the power button when it's located in the top right corner right here. Now, if your device is stuck on a logo, so if it doesn't go farther than the logo, and then just turn it off, and you're sure that it's not just the device being discharged issue, you can actually perform factory reset to resolve most commonly occurring issues with your device, simply by relaunching it this way several times. So turn on your device, then start turning it off when you see the logo by holding down the power button once again, and just repeat this process 2 to 3 times. At some point along with the Windows logo on your screen, you'll also see the please wait message. So now let's try to get it. Okay, so it's the third attempt of launching this PC, and at this point it should be visible on the screen. Okay, no, we're gonna have to interrupt the boot process once again. And also, before you enter the recovery mode, which we will finally reach after repeating boot interruption process, also you have to check the ak.ms/myrecoverykey website in order to find your recovery keys, and in case of your device getting locked by a BitLocker, to be able to restore the access. But yeah, generally speaking, we just want to wait until automatic repair starts. Now let's, I think, wait a bit. Okay, once you see this screen, you're gonna have to press enter, and this way we can enter the quick machine recovery, and after that perform the factory reset on our device. Well, I'm gonna just turn off this PC and then turn it on again. But yeah, using this feature, you can perform factory reset operation on your laptop and restore it to factory defaults, and most probably resolve your issue if your device is really stubborn and doesn't want to turn on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.